Now making a YouTube video. Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of J Vlogs. It's Mother's Day, and I just want to say happy, Mother's Day to you all. I hope you guys celebrate it with your mommy. A lot of people, mommy pass away, so they don't have the luxury, of telling their mommy, Happy Mother's Day. So, I sympathize with people like that because I lost my daddy, so, you know, only having one parent, it is sad. So I just want to say, appreciate each and every mommy out there. I love all of you guys, you help raise us and you make us, who we are, today. So if it wasn't for, mommies, women in general, then, you wouldn't have a world pretty much, you know. So I just want to say appreciate everybody. Enjoy the Mother's Day. Show your mommy love. You know, even if your father is a mommy and daddy in one, show them love. Show that special person some love. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. It's very very short. Heading to work as well. My friends. Say hello, Shakira, to my vlog. And I have Michelle over here, my big driver friend. My big driver friend. So yeah. So happy Mother's Day again. Enjoy, guys.